लुक अगेन, पढ़ाई लिखाई तो कुछ हम करेंगे नहीं आज, ठीक है, बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी very generic discussion. Generic means you know what, this is a class, right? And when you sit in the class, you have an intention कि आपको कुछ सीखना है, right? And when you learn something academically you mean I mean to say maths, physics, science, right? Okay, science में तो physics भी आ गया, but PCM, whatever you say, आप उसको पढ़ते हो and then you apply in your exams, right? आप फिर घर पे जाके you burn the midnight oil and you study a lot, right? तो that becomes academic education. अच्छा, कहीं ना कहीं उस academic education को ही हमने माइंड पे डाला हुआ है whenever we come to this class, this spoken English class, right? While जो मेरा belief है, if I say in Hindi, मेरा विश्वास, जो मेरा faith है towards spoken English class is not only learn it academically but apply it in your day-to-day life. Don't treat it as a class when you are learning English. The word learn, that learned word is not suitable for me when it comes to English. You don't learn it. You practice it and you apply this in your day-to-day life. तो आज जो भी मैं डिस्कशन करूंगा यहाँ पे, whatever we are gonna talk, it's gonna be completely practical, nothing learning. Okay? And that's what, after today's class, I would love to hear from Amir few words that you guys are applying those things. And that's how my classes are to be. ठीक है? So yeah, he must have told you it's gonna be personality development. Okay? What do you know about personality development? What is personality? Can anyone tell? कुछ भी, anything. Don't hesitate. Speak up. What is personality?
How to sit, how to speak, and how to behave.
How to speak, how to behave. Correct. Very good. Yes.
We are doing any work in our daily life.
That's personality. Your name, sir?
Suyesh.
Suyesh. Clap for Suyesh and Ritik as well. I love that answer. And your answer is definitely coming to that point. I love that answer. Anything that we do in our life is your personality. Any damn thing. You sneeze, you cough, you blink your eyes, you wink, you move your hands, you move your body is your personality. That's what your personality is. Yeah. So what we are gonna discuss today is, I'll try to maintain that rhythm of Hindi and English. So excuse me अगर ज़्यादा extra हो जाए तो, ठीक है? हाँ, तो जो भी आज हम discussion करने वाले हैं about personality, as he said, Suyesh rightly said, whatever we do is our personality. I am a personality. You can simply say, I like this personality. This personality has a ball. I'm not calling them by name. I'm not saying this person. I can call this personality. Personality is also a noun, right? It also works as an adverb at sometimes. Okay, so you are a personality. You are Suyesh, but I can definitely, if I'm talking here with my friends, अगर मैं अपने friend से बात कर रहा हूँ, I don't care what his name is. I can call him personality. So that's what personality is. Whatever you do is your personality. Okay. Now, personality is you. There is one more word gets added and that's development. किसी भी चीज का development करते हो तो that things become better look wise, right? So development is विकास, right? किसी भी चीज का विकास होता है, you know, India is a developing country, right? So things get better, things shine, right? So that's how your personality also gets developed. And that is how this phrase became personality development. What? Personality development. First of all, I want each one of you to sit very freely. Very freely. Yes. एकदम से, just relax. This is not a class. This is not a class. Relax. Smile on face. Huh? Move. This is not a class. Okay. And I'm not taking your interview. Okay. So, That is how personality development word, that phrase came, right? Now what do you understand अगर आपसे कोई ये बोलता है कि यार पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, अगर कुछ आपके जैसे आई एम टॉकिंग राइट नाउ कि पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, ये वर्ड ये फ्रेज सुन के आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
Personality means
हाँ,
one who talks, another one who impressed by their talking style and also listening what he said in their language, in simple language. They understand their points. Also, this is personality, I think.
या दैट्स पर्सनालिटी. बट अगर आपके सामने कोई ये बोलता है पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, ये फ्रेज सुन के आपको मतलब क्या क्या फील आता है? जैसे मैं लायन बोलता हूं तो यू जस्ट सिंपली योर माइंड क्लिक्स, ओके शेर, ओके दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक, ओके वेयर डज ही लिव? इन जंगल, इज अ किंग ऑफ जंगल, राइट? सो जब मैं पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट बोलता हूं या कोई भी बोलता है तो आपके दिमाग में क्या क्लिक आता है उस टाइम पे?
Modify the daily routine.
Modify the daily routine, correct? Yeah, daily routine also comes under personality only. Okay, now, तो जब what I wanted to hear is from you guys कि जब personality development की बात आती है, whenever the phrase comes out from somebody's mouth that personality development, that means there is a scope of improvement, right? In your persona. The short form of personality is persona. So there is a scope of improvement, right? Now अगर मैं बोलता हूँ personality development, you should get a click in your mind. Personality development means to develop a personality, right? To improve your personality, correct? So that's how things should mold around your mind. जब भी कोई आपसे whenever people talk like this, and if in a very layman language, if you have to explain, what does it click when we say personality development? To develop a personality, as simple as that. You don't need to really think कि मैं कुछ ऐसा word डाल दूं यहाँ पे जिससे कि मेरा थोड़ा अलग सा impression पड़े. No, it's fine. Be you, be yourself, right? While being yourself, you got to develop yourself. बिकॉज वही होता है ना, शूज होते हैं आपके, राइट? सो यू वेयर देम, बट देन इफ यू बिट क्लीन देम दे विल शाइन, और दे यू पॉलिश देम दे विल शाइन, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ. बी योरसेल्फ. उनको जूते ही रहने दो, उनको साफ करके सर पे मत रखो. वो फिर जब आप उनको पॉलिश कर दोगे फिर भी वो शूज ही रहेंगे. दे वोंट बिकम सैंडल, राइट? और दे वोंट बिकम समथिंग एल्स, बट दे विल शाइन. तो बी योर सेल्फ. बहुत बारी लोगों के अंदर ये assumptions आ जाते हैं कि when you develop your personality you become a different person. No, and people think कि आप different person बन जाते हो इसलिए आपको different act करने की भी जरूरत पड़ती है. बिकॉज अगर मैंने आपको आज क्लास दे दी पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की, एंड नाउ कल को अगर लेट्स से मैं आपके सामने आया तो आपके दिमाग में ये होगा कि अच्छा सर ने मुझे ये बताया था, एनीवेज यू कैन कॉल मी हिमांशु, हिमांशु ने मुझे ये बताया था एंड मुझे इस तरीके से एक्ट करना चाहिए. नो, बिकॉज इफ यू आर एक्टिंग दैट विल बी कॉट, वो पकड़ा जाएगा. बी योरसेल्फ एंड शाइन. नेवर एवर गेट. अपना जो व्यक्तित्व है उसको कभी ना खो, उसी व्यक्तित्व को शाइन करो, राइट? दैट्स हाउ यू शुड बी. तो कभी एक्ट मत करो चीजों को लेके. मतलब व्हेन आई से एक्ट, डोंट रिलेट इट टू पर्सनल इंटरव्यू क्लासेस कि वहां पे तो आपको थोड़ा सा यू हैव टू लिटिल बिट एक्ट देयर, बिकॉज वो प्रोफेशनल एनवायरनमेंट बन जाता है, राइट? बट व्हेन आई से पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, दिस इज नॉट ओनली प्रोफेशनल, दिस इज वेरी मच पर्सनल, दिस इज वेरी मच विद योर चड्डी बड्डी आवर्स. पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट का मतलब ये नहीं कि केवल वहीं पे डेवलपमेंट दिखाओ जहां पे जरूरत है. नो, मेक इट ऑल अराउंड. मम्मा, पापा, सिस्टर, ब्रदर, रिलेटिव्स, योर गुड फ्रेंड्स, योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, योर फार क्राई फ्रेंड्स, कोई भी है, सॉरी, एवरीवन शुड गेट द टेस्ट ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ इट शुड बी. तो आज मैं देखो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की जब हम बात करते हैं उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. इफ आई से इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट वे, how to talk, how to walk, how to sneeze, how to cough, how to wink, how to blink, how to comb, how to dress, how to put on your shoes, how to keep your tissue paper, how to keep your cell phone, how to match your dress and watch and shoes, how to talk, of course, then how to talk, how to do an eye contact, how to let's say react on situations, how to itch, okay, how to fly, let's say a mosquito, if the mosquito is there in your body, how to fly it, okay, how to move your leg, how to move your feet, any damn thing you do with your this persona is your personality, right? तो अगर हम personality development की बात करें, it's a big chapter to talk about, right? Today I'm going to talk about something which is going to impact you right after this class, as long as you want. So I am picking up the topic communication. You good with this? Huh? Communication will work? Okay, there are two types of communication, verbal and non-verbal. So I'm not picking verbal. Verbal is Amir's responsibility, and I'm sure he has done a great job because I saw you guys that day. Okay, so verbal communication is absolutely fine. You guys continue improving it, polishing it. Okay, I'm gonna talk about non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication. Something like this, huh? There's a girl moving around, and if she looks at you, you make some faces कि उसका कुछ तो reaction है ना? कुछ तो आँखें मार देते हैं. Okay, वो दिन गए, आँख मारने वाले दिन गए. सच बताना किस किस ने ट्राई करा है बचपन में? To blink your eye, not blink, wink. Winking समझ आती है? Winking, huh? And winking is not this. No, winking is wink your eyes with your face. That's the right winking. If you do like this, it's just a reaction. Nobody ever recognizes it. You know, winking is blink your eyes, okay, and then move your face a bit like this. That's winking. Okay, and the winking वाला smile तो use करते ही हो WhatsApp में, है ना? वो तो करते हो. Nice. हाँ. And I'm telling you, these smileys are helping a lot. Okay, so we are going to talk about non-verbal communication today. And non-verbal communication is all about how your body language is, how you behave with your body is all about that. Let's start the discussion. I'm not writing anything because my handwriting is not good. Okay, so non-verbal communication. This is one person. This is another person. What do you see the difference?
One is smiling, one is smiling.
One sad and happy.
You see the difference? You see the impact of your facial expression? You see the impact?
Yes.
Man, that's your non-verbal communication. And non-verbal communication is more effective than verbal communication. Is what my belief is, and is what everyone's belief is. Now, this person is smiling and this person is sad. Okay? They both are walking at a distance.